This moment matters more than people realize. By pleading out, she's betting everything on the judge's discretion instead of 12 strangers in jury box. That's a huge gamble, especially when the charge carries 2 decades of potential prison time. The question becomes, does the system see a criminal or a crisis?
Degree felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
In criminal law, a second-degree felony for robbery typically implies a violent theft, carrying a potential sentence of up to 20 years in prison. Today, we examine a case where the charge on paper suggests a dangerous criminal, but the facts revealed during allocution suggest a mental health crisis over a can of soda. Watch closely how the judge utilizes the specific mechanism of deferred adjudication. Is this a case of the system working as...
This is the courtroom equivalent of tightening loose screws. Judges live and die by paperwork, and if the numbers don't match the deal, the entire plea can unravel. It may sound boring, but this pause protects the defendant from accidental extra punishment, and protects the record if this case is ever reviewed.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 010958, State versus Canora Adams. Could I have the parties announced for the record?
Kelly Biddle for Canora Adams.
And are you Miss Adams?
Yes.
All right, you've previously been sworn in, and you were actually here on October 14th, 2025. There was a request to withdraw your plea, and you wanted a jury trial. All right. And are you asking now to enter into a plea bargaining agreement with the state?
Yes.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery that you reviewed with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
This is the pivot point of the entire case. Veterans Treatment Court isn't about going easy. It's about accountability and support. Judges in these courts are trained to recognize how military service, trauma, and mental health intersect with criminal behavior. This is the system saying, punishment alone won't fix this. Treatment will.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with the offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Even though the state and defense have already agreed on a plea deal, the judge legally has to warn the defendant about the worst-case scenario. She has to tell her that this crime could mean 20 years in prison. This is to make sure the defendant knows exactly how serious it is before she gives up her right to a jury trial.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea,
Make no mistake, this is judicial discretion in action. Robbery charges almost always mean ankle monitors. But after hearing the full story, the judge recalibrates. She's not ignoring the law. She's applying it intelligently. This is what justice tailored to the individual actually
gives you more than you bargained
And
for.
it's
The
rare.
fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Adams, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court would find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, off the record for a moment. It says it's running concurrent with a PF case. Where is that?
In County Court 2.
Okay, and that's the correct cause number? All right. All right.
The court hits a speed bump here. Concurrent just means the defendant serves time for two different crimes at the exact same time, rather than back-to-back. The lawyers made a deal to wrap up all her legal problems in one go, and the judge is pausing to make sure the paperwork matches that promise.
And while the state is reviewing that, did you review the plea bargain page? Okay, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,000 fine. There's no application for community supervision. The state recommends deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2025 PF 40428. Court is being informed by defense counsel. That's the county court cause number.
Correct, and that is the plea filed with the filed case number 025 CC 014365.
365. Any objections to the court adding that to the paperwork?
No.
All right, so, and it's to run concurrent with 2025 CC 014365, which is also 2025 PF 40428. And the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 010957. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense is at the plea?
Yes.
State is at the plea. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and cite it in both places? By citing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainant or 7-Eleven convenience stores, MIC evaluation, referral to Center for Healthcare Services, MRT, and anger management. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
No objection.
Did you did you contact the complainant? All right, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver